I gave you my heart.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Anma TV and thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you. So in this video we're making this yummy butter bread, guys. So these are our ingredients for our butter bread or butter bread anyhow you call it. So this is our flour, instant yeast, butter, sugar, salt, nut milk, 1 egg, and half cup of milk. Okay, all right, let's dive into it. So guys, as you can see, this is butter bread. So want to knead well. Okay, you're gonna really knead well. Okay, so I kind of like, my elbow is not really helping me, so but I'll try and knead it. So if you are making it, try and knead it very well. Okay. Okay. So just keep it right. guys, our butter bread is ready and it's looking yummy. I've not eaten this kind of butter bread in a very long time, so guys, you can imagine what will happen behind the scene, right? Okay guys, so this is really looking yummy and delicious. Try a lot. I can't wait. You are invited, okay guys, you are invited. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, oh boy, you can't miss this yummy recipe, right? Okay guys, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I'll see you next time. Bye.